There are many comparisons of hosting control panels on the internet. Every month, new reviews, tests, and rankings appear. The problem is that most of them are based on theoretical assumptions or subjective impressions of the authors. What a user chooses when reading reviews is one thing, and what they actually spend money on when ordering a server is often completely different. At HOSTKEY, as a hosting provider, we have a rare opportunity: access to real statistics of server orders with pre-installed software. We analyzed hundreds of orders and compiled a picture of what customers actually choose in practice when they pay from their own budget rather than rating stars in reviews. This is not a scientific study, but rather a snapshot of real customer preferences. However, it is extremely honest. Currently, HOSTKEY customers have access to more than 10 pre-installed hosting panels. The first thing that stands out is the dominance of the free Fastpanel. More than 40% of all orders. This clearly shows that most customers prioritize saving money, especially when launching new projects. In second place is CyberPanel with a 10.6% share, which is logical. It is also free, but built on a more modern technology stack. The most interesting part starts among paid panels. Half of the users who choose cPanel use it in trial mode, meaning try before buying, and often remain on trial indefinitely. When it comes to real purchases, customers choose the most basic plans. ispmanager Lite is ordered twice as often as Pro versions, and cPanel for 100 accounts is less popular than plans for 30 or 5 accounts. This suggests either that most projects are small or that the market is not yet ready to invest heavily in infrastructure. Among paid panels with extended functionality, Plesk is consistently ordered. To understand why the statistics look this way, let's look at current prices. Fastpanel has a fully free standard license with no functional limitations. Monetization comes only through support packages: €19.90, €29.90, or €49.90 per month, depending on the level. There is also an extended license starting from $4.20 per month. CyberPanel is also free in its basic version. The nuance is that for serious usage, Lightspeed Enterprise is required, and its cost can be significant. ispmanager comes in 3 plans: Lite at €4 per month, up to 10 sites, Pro at €6, up to 50 sites, and Host at €9, unlimited. Providers often offer it cheaper than official pricing. HOSTKEY, for example, offers Lite for €4 instead of €5. cPanel is significantly more expensive. Admin for 5 accounts, $35.99 per month. Pro for 30 accounts, $53.99. Premier for 100 accounts, $69.99. Plesk sits in the middle. Web admin for 10 domains, €14.29 per month. Web Pro for 30 domains, €25.49. Web host unlimited, €52.99. From these numbers, it becomes clear why the order statistics look this way. Open source solutions captured the market for a reason. They are fully functional products with open licenses. Fastpanel's business model, based only on paid support, looks bold but works. cPanel at the current exchange rate no longer looks prohibitively expensive, but is still more costly than alternatives. ispmanager in the €4 to €9 range is a reasonable compromise. Even the most expensive host plan is cheaper than the basic cPanel admin, and still has no limits on the number of sites. This is the second factor affecting total cost of ownership. The higher the panel requirements, the more expensive the server needed. Fastpanel is the least demanding. 1 CPU core and 1 GB RAM are enough to run it, even on the most basic configuration. CyberPanel and ispmanager Lite require similar resources: 2 cores and 2 GB RAM, which is enough for comfortable operation of modern web applications. cPanel raises the bar to 3 GB RAM, while Plesk requires 4 GB. This is justified by functionality, but directly impacts server cost. In terms of operating system support, the situation is as follows. Fastpanel and CyberPanel work only on Ubuntu 22.04, and users are satisfied with this. ispmanager Lite and cPanel support major Linux distributions: Ubuntu, Debian, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux. Plesk offers the widest support, the same Linux distributions plus several editions of Windows Server 2022. An important note about unlimited domains and plans: everything is still limited by hardware. On a VPS with 2 GB RAM, you cannot realistically host more than 10 to 15 active websites. ispmanager honestly shows limits in its plans, while others hide behind marketing unlimited claims. Briefly going through practical differences. Databases. If Postgres is critical for a project, the choice narrows to cPanel and ispmanager. Both support MySQL and PostgreSQL out of the box. Fastpanel requires manual Postgres installation via the Applications menu, CyberPanel requires SSH setup, and PHPPG-admin is not supported. Plesk supports Postgres only in WebPro and WebHost plans. Modern development technologies, Free, Fastpanel, and CyberPanel remain focused on PHP projects. For serious work with Python, Node.js, and Composer, the choice narrows to ispmanager 6 or cPanel with Cloud Linux, both paid solutions. Built-in Docker support exists only in ispmanager Pro/Host/Business plans. Security. CyberPanel looks like the most balanced solution. CyberPanel features mod security with OWASP rules out of the box, plus CSF plus fail to ban, with two-factor authentication available since version 2.3. ispmanager stands out because some providers include DDoS guard integration. cPanel, despite popularity and price, has no built-in DDoS protection and relies on external services. Fastpanel sits in the middle. Basic security exists, but mod security must be configured manually. Real order statistics lead to several conclusions. First, customers vote with money. Fastpanel dominance and CyberPanel popularity show that in an environment of economic uncertainty, open-source solutions win. Paid panels are mostly used in trial mode, and when purchasing, customers choose the most basic plans. There is no perfect hosting panel. Each is good for its own use case. Fastpanel is suitable for budget startups, CyberPanel for simple PHP projects with a focus on security, ispmanager for those who want a modern stack at a reasonable price, cPanel for enterprise clients with budget, and Plesk remains a choice for web studios due to its relatively low cost and broad functionality. The main point is to choose a panel based on real project needs and willingness to pay for functionality and support, not marketing promises. Order a server with a pre-installed hosting panel on HOSTKEY, link in the description.